Hi, my name is Alex from the Tarjimly team, and today we'll be looking at the new sign up, how to manage your members, and to manage the premium subscriptions. So, firstly, I'll go to our website, the web portal app.tajimly.org, and I'm going to log in with my user account. If you don't already have your user account, you'll need to download the Tarjimly app and create a user account, which you'll be able to use either if you need translation and interpretation yourself, or if you just want to manage other team members and their subscriptions. So very quickly, I am going to log in. Up here, I have the text translation, which isn't the focus of today. We're going to be looking at the premium and the billing. So firstly, when I click here, when I'm new to the Tarjimly Premium Billing and Account Management, I should select whether I'm part of an organization, school, network, any kind of group, or if I'm just signing up as an individual. And the main difference is that when you sign up as part of an organization, school, etc., you'll be prompted to add a few more information just about the name of the organization and the address. Whereas an individual will just create an individual account. So we'll take a look at that. I'm going to choose I'm part of an organization. Here, it's better to be specific where possible. So if I know that there may be multiple departments or multiple locations in my organization that might sign up separately, in that case, I would want to choose a name which reflects my organization, but maybe the department and location. So for example, I would put here Tarjimly UK, for example, PSS department. We add the location, the contact address, and then the email address, which you want to be linked to the account. So you may want to use a different account for billing or the same email which you use to sign up. So in my case, I would want to use the same billing email. Once I've created a user organization, as you can see, the name here, organization, I can manage my users. So currently, I'm the only member of this organization. So I can see my name, my email address, and what subscription I have, which is the free version of the app when I was added, and my role as an admin. There's two options. Either I can manage my own subscription, or I can add team members first. So I'll show you firstly how to add team members, and then we'll go through managing subscriptions. So I can add my emails in a list separated by commas. So in this case, let me add a few different email addresses. I'm going to continue. So it prompts me to show which are the existing accounts. So these are people from your team that have already created an account with Tarjimly. So in that case, I will just want to add this account, which already exists, to my organization. And then the next step is that it will prompt me to add any new members. So these are email addresses which don't currently have a Tarjimly account, and I can actually create an account directly for them. Once the account is created, the person who owns that email will receive an email informing them about Tarjimly, that they've had an email account created, and they'll be able to create a password directly and be able to access their account. So I'm just going to add the required information here in order to make an account. And now I have an overview of the two accounts which I wanted to add, so the existing account and the new account. And I have a couple of other options, whether I want to add them as an admin. So that means that they'll be able to access this portal in the same way, be able to add and remove subscriptions. If I don't add it, when they go onto the Tarjimly portal, they'll simply see a screen informing them that which organization they're part of and who are the admins. And if they want to edit or get a subscription, they should contact the admins directly. Here we can choose a subscription. So for now, I'm just going to choose the free version and proceed to payment. In this case, it actually doesn't add a subscription because it's free, and then I can return to home and I can see all of these three accounts. Now I'll go on to manage subscription. So if I wanted to add a Tarjimly premium subscription, what you will notice is that it will open a new tab, which I've just shared here from Stripe. So Stripe is the payment platform that we're using. Now that I wanted to add one person to Tarjimly Premium, it's going to be US dollars 25 per month. And I can add the payment method directly here. Let me see. Yeah, I'll use this one. If I'm able to, I think I'm not able to go back to my screen. I will show everyone shortly what that looks like. Okay, so let me go back to the other portal. Once I've made the payment, you can see here that it shows it's Tarjimly Premium. And I can also take a look at the billing details. So my organization's details, which I'm able to edit at any time. The admin management, so I can either remove admins or I can add a new admin from the list of existing users that I've added to my organization. The billing portal, which shows my current subscription, and the Stripe billing portal, which I can access at any time. So the Stripe billing portal is if you want to ever change your payment method, change your billing and shipping information, and you're also able to, if you wanted to cancel the whole subscription, you're able to cancel it there. Though normally I would recommend just to go into manage users and to add and remove the subscriptions as needed. Lastly, I'll just go to the features, which is just a reminder of what are the essentials features and what are the premium features. So currently the main difference is that Premium allows conference calling, soon to be coming video calling. It includes paid translators, mainly for the ability to speed up matching and to improve connections, especially for rarer languages. The team has the ability to filter the interpreter pool, for example, by gender or experience, higher match rates as mentioned, and then finally web access. Web access, as you can currently see, includes translations, but very soon it's going to be having the ability to call interpreters from the web portal. So that's an overview of the Tarjimly billing system.